right now. You see this? Those are washer and dryers. Okay, so the reason I'm doing this video is I can't tell you how many times I see deals fall apart over washers and dryers. You're selling a $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 house, 7, 8, 9, whatever, and deals fall apart because of washer and dryers. Number one, leave the washer dryer in the house. Unless it's sentimental value that you have to have the washer, just leave it for the buyer. A washer and dryer's value is 10 times more in a real estate deal than coming here and buying it. For some reason, buyers are like, where's the washer dryer? Well, let me rephrase it. Sellers always take it out for some reason, even though it's in the contract, and go, oh, I really wanted it. And then the buyers are like, no, I need that washer dryer. And it's always an argument and fight. Just leave the washer dryer. Look at it like this. The buyer's paying for it in a seller's market, they're giving you way more money than you should be getting for your house. So leave the washer dryer. In a buyer's market, you need to sell the house. You need to make your house stand out from the rest. Leave the washer dryer. It makes the real estate transaction so much easier. Washer dryer. Washer dryer.